very quickly, world, because I can't find any information on this anywhere on the internet. If you're having the same problem I am, ESP, normally you get the SRS come up as well, but that's once you've been driving. No indicators, nothing with the multifunction switch, no radio, and when you're driving, phone doesn't work either. It is a terminal 15 fault. Excuse the mess. Relay 6, which I've removed in order to recreate the fault. Here. So 8, 7, 6, I believe. Right, relay 6 behind this wiring loom. One of these relays, get them from Mercedes-Benz. I've been recommended to get a proper Mercedes-Benz version. This was like 18 quid. That is your issue. That is that amount of heartache that's caused me. That is your issue. Replace this fuse and be happy. Thanks, world.